Hello.
Alright, so if you're watching this, you're probably curious. Blowoff valve on the Cruze. Well, this is a blowoff valve and recirculating valve from Turbosmart. It's meant for the LTG, not the LA2. However, if you know anything about like bypass valves or whatever, the go fast bits and the BNR ones all fit the Cruze. This one, it lines up and all that. However, small little gap there. So I designed in CAD and 3D printed a spacer. It's going to sit like so. Now let's go install it.
And we're back at the car.
Yep. I have to remove the intake. I'm just using a flat blade to remove the intake pieces.
That should be far enough out of the way. So bypass valve is down here. And there's 3 Allen head screws to remove.
Can you unplug it?
All right, we got the thing unplugged. Now it's time to remove the Allen head screws. Haha. Flex extension for the win. That was an excellent idea. Well, I got it, finally. It's quite impossibly difficult to get to. So, eventually you'll find a combination of tools that works. And eventually, why does this have like 6,000 threads? There we go. Here is the stock. Oil. Huh? O-ring is still on it.
Yep.
Here's the stock.
Wow, that seems pretty shit.
Yeah. So this, when you're doing a BNR one, this whole thing comes off. And then, like, this right inner lip there, that's actually separated. This whole thing comes out. And then you're left with just the solenoid, which connects to your go fast bits or BNR bypass valve.
Wow, about the same size too.
But this one does that. That's why. So also, if you look, this is the only thing that's holding it back from venting boost. So that's why these are so terrible. Alright, I will get back on the camera. Eric will install this bad boy. Let me help by grabbing... Oh, you already grabbed one. Right here.
So I can't put it in the orientation that they want me to.
I don't think it'll matter on this turbo, based on how it's designed.
So I'll do it this orientation. Have you know, at the time of recording this, we don't even know if this will work.
That is very true. We have yet to actually see if it works. But it works on the LTGs, so I can't imagine it not working on this.
Can you move the light over here so I can actually see?
Yeah. And we're back. So, fair warning, the bottom bolt on this, when you do the aftermarket bypass valve, is going to be a nightmare to put on. So just be prepared for many, many different tools to make that happen. And now it's on. Seems good. So then there's just one connector that should be identical.
Yep. Imagine if it's not. But it is.
Hey, look at that. That can just be tucked out of the way. And now that's connected. Now you just reassemble, put your intake back on, and then you're good to go. We'll do some testing and get some audio clips here in a minute. So now Eric's in here. He's going to reset the ECU real quick, and then we'll give it a first start and see if it actually does blow off things that it should. It's open. That's a good sign. It's actually open. It sounds like it works. Right, time to go on a little drive. Hey.
Oh, is it working?
Oh yeah, it works.
Oh, sick.
Here, you hold it. It closes a lot faster. Now you see why people say to get rid of the awful stock one.
Alright, so let's go for a test drive.
Yep. Well, now we're in the car. Eric's gonna set up a data log, make sure it's all good and happy.
We're gonna need to
We're
warm it
gonna
up a little bit too.
go on a short drive. We'll get to hear if it makes a big turbo howl, which I already know I don't think it's going to, but we'll see. It might still do it. Right, moment of truth. Let's hear it. Nope, still makes the train noise. That's fine.
I did see it kind of overboost a little bit.
Yep. Yeah, I don't know. Does it seem like fine though?
It was pretty fun. Won't know until it like warms up.
Right. Nice.
Feels pretty okay, considering that this is just my regular tune. There's an ECU clear.
Well, it's gonna act. Nice. It's gonna act almost identical because, I mean, the worst that's gonna happen is when you let off, it's gonna be a little bit more rich. Nice. Give it a little, well, I guess we can't because traffic. Nice. I just wanted to get the boost gauge. It sounds nice. Also, while I was not recording, we noticed the howl is quieter because there's so much going on I can't think. The howl is quieter because it's venting half and recirculating half, which is how you prevent it going super rich.
Hey, be quiet.
Stop
I made that adapter, and if you guys are interested, I might be interested in selling this adapter. I don't know if I'll have it 3D printed in plastic or CNC yet, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments if you are interested in putting a blow-off valve on your car. I mean, it seems to work. I'm going to send my tune off to Jerry to see if anything needs to be done, but so far it just seems to just work. So yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody.